This machine doesn't drain water but washes the clothes. So what might be the problem? I've opened up the filter and there is no dirt inside, but the water doesn't come out after draining. It produces an error. So the first thing, you let out the water so that we diagnose what's the problem. It's a Samsung washing machine. Before washing clothes, always make sure that there is no dirt inside the pockets of the clothes. And also do regular service of the machine. And also, after some time, you should drum wash the machine. If you read the manual, it has an option there for drum cleaning. Many people don't do that. If you put it at the drum cleaning, it will always wash the tub with very hot water, 90 degrees, I guess, for this washing machine, Samsung EcoBubble. So before even calling for a service technician, confirm everything. And if you check the manual, there is always an error tab there. Read all the errors to confirm truly if the problem is the machine and you have eliminated all outcomes possible. For this one, I checked and the issue was the drainage. So if this problem is not the filter, the problem is down there. Let me show you. If you turn the washing machine upside down, you'll see some hose pipe inside with a clip. If the hose pipe is torn, the washing machine won't drain. And even if the wash pipe also is clogged, also it won't drain. And there is also a pump inside that drain. If that pump is blocked, the machine won't work. It will produce an error. For this one, I've checked. It was blocked by the mask and debris. So it means the client will never used to check the pockets to remove dirt before washing the clothes. After this, everything worked perfectly. This was too much, and the straps on the mask had clogged the drainage pump. So it was not working, it was just humming. For more of this content, follow and share. Thanks.